Okay, so hello students. So welcome to our channel. So today we'll solve one more problem of quantum mechanics which has been asked in CSIR NET June 2024. And this one is the simplest question that has been asked in this examination. Question you can see on the screen. So for the hydrogen atom, a random state is defined to you, and if L square is measured on this state, then find out the probability of getting 2h cut square. So this 2h cut square is the eigenvalue and we have to find out the probability of getting this one. Now see here, what are these things? These are N, L and M. So this one is given to you, that's psi N, L, M. This one is the eigenstate. These are the eigenstate. Now what you have to think? When we operate L square on this state, this we already know. If you operate L square operator on this state N, L, M, so what you will get? L into L plus 1 h cut square psi N, L, M. This you will get. Fine. Now what you have to think here, that for which value of L you will get this 2h cut square as a eigenvalue. L की किस वैल्यू के लिए आपको 2h cut square as a eigenvalue आना चाहिए. तो आप देखिए यहाँ पे ध्यान से, थिंक अबाउट इट कि L की मैं क्या वैल्यू रखूं यहाँ पे कि मुझे 2h cut square मिले. फाइन. So from here I can compare these two things, then I can say that for 2h cut square this L should be 1. Agree? L should be 1. Now just see this one. कहां आपको L 1 आ रहा है? So you see L is equals to 1 in this one, L is equals to 1 in this one. दो टर्म में आ रहा है. Now you can directly find out the probability of 2h cut square. Probability of 2h cut square. So very simple. This term and this term, the combined probability we can find out. So I can say this is under root 3 by 7 whole square plus under root 4 by 21 whole square divided by all these under root 8 by 21 whole square plus under root 3 by 7 whole square plus under root 4 by 21 whole square. And I consider that you already know this method, how to find out the probability on any particular state. Fine. You see this denominator, if you solve this denominator, this will give you 1 because this one is already normalized state. So now this is very simple. So this will become 3 by 7 plus 4 by 21. You can take the LCM 21 and this will become 3 into 3, 9 plus 4. This is 13 by 21. This is the answer. So देखिए कितना simple question है. Only thing which you have to remember here, that what should be the value of L for which you are getting the 2h cut square. Generally mistake क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट, आप सिर्फ एक देखोगे और डायरेक्टली यही प्रोबेबिलिटी लिख दोगे. किसी ने 3 by 7 लिख दिया होगा, किसी ने 4 by 21 लिख दिया होगा सेपरेटली, एंड दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. और आपको आंसर में वो भी देखो, 4 ऑप्शन में ये भी मिलेंगे दोनों. तो यू हैव टू सी एंड यू हैव टू चेक कि L की वैल्यू कहां 1 है, कितनी टर्म्स में 1 है. You have to combine all those probabilities. Fine. So this is how you can deal with this kind of question. Fine. Okay. So hope you like this discussion. If you like the discussion, just write down in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल.